Beautiful bluff views on a half-acre lot. Covered front porch perfect for a porch swing. The Drummond floor plan. Main area living features open living and dining area. Backsplash and Granite. Upstairs bedrooms features all bedrooms. King-sized master suite with large walk-in closet, separate shower and tub plus double sink vanity. Huge bonus room. Black chain link fence to line the back at the Bluff. Seller is offering up to $5,000 in seller concessions.